So what I'm doing now is I'm uploading a loop from the fire alarm panel. That's all the devices that's connected to the panel into my laptop, so I can program the devices and then get it out my laptop back into the fire alarm panel. So I'm taking the devices from here. That's all the devices that's connected on this SLC loop that's plugged into here. All the devices that's connected in here, I'm transferring it to here. So here go. We found 34 devices. All this blue means that these all these guys here mean that they're unconfigured. So I have 34 unconfigured modules. So we right click. Actually what we're gonna do is we want to accept all of them, so that way the software can create the digital address for these devices. Then I could just add the labels. Labels meaning their exact location, whether it be hall next to classroom 201. That's the label that I'm going to give each one of these specific devices. So now everything is reconciled. We close out the map. And now we can configure our devices in the object menu. Since it's all CO detectors, it's all going to be CO alarm. It's all going to be a silent alarm. It's just going to be sending the signal straight to the central station. So I got to change all the modules point type from pull station to just generic alarm. I don't want to send a signal as a pull station. I want to send it as an alarm, so that way it comes up with the right description. How we do that is we keep on to the same menu. We want to configure the cabinets, and then we want to configure the loop controller. We're dealing with modules. So we want to go into modules. Then we change all of these to general alarm. And I have one relay installed. That relay is going to shut the boiler down anytime any one of these CO detectors go into alarm. Change all of them to general alarm. It's 34 of them, so I type fast. It's not gonna take me long to program this. wire just fell. All right, so we got everything adjusted. Close that out. Close that out. Then we go back into the cabinets. Not the cabinets. We want to go into the object, to the objects, and then scroll down to where all the CO detectors are, which is right here. Double click, add your code, or rather your label. But how you get the label is, we got to look at the prints.